pleased to share that PHS students have volunteered 1,009 hours for Anthony and a world record for, we raised $1,000 for Anthony as well. Here to introduce Anthony, his family, and local sponsors is Kina Sampson, our Southern Oregon Sparrow coordinator. Please give her a warm welcome back.
Incredible job, Phoenix High School students. 1,009 hours. I don't know if you remember, but when I was here earlier this year, my challenge to you was 300 hours as an entire student body. So obviously you hit that mark. You didn't stop, you went well above and beyond. My husband likes to call that compassion gravy. And who doesn't like all this extra gravy on the potatoes? So great job on the compassion gravy. Helping others just because you want to help them. I chose to volunteer not because I needed pirate points, but because I wanted to help. The coaches, the athletes, Anthony, I wanted to help people out. And often I get so caught up in my own life that I forget to. I hope that we were able to raise enough to help this young boy, because every child deserves a chance to enjoy life. I love that. It kind of like chokes me up again right now, because that's the whole reason that we do this. Thank you guys so much. You've done an incredible job. I know there's some more information coming your way. I won't step on those toes, but I just want you to know I'm so proud of you, and you did phenomenal. Let's give it up one last time for your Sparrow, Anthony.
Some of the things that these students write, you realize, man, it is taking place and it is making an impact. And some of the hardest things that our Sparrow families go through, the beauty that can come from that is that these students are impacted, and they're shown my choices matter and I can make a difference in this world. And that's what our program's all about.
Okay, 1, 2.
Anthony!